Hello everyone. Did you know that effective note taking can actually boost your exam scores? If you're skeptical, just think about this: note taking is the first step to mastering your subjects. Want to ace your exams? Start with this crucial skill. We've been getting tons of requests for a video on this, so your wish is granted. Today, I'm sharing 5 top tips to help you take notes like a pro. Stick around until the end for all the details. Tip number 1. Focus on key points. When your teacher is talking, make sure to jot down the main ideas and essential facts. It might take a bit to get the hang of identifying these key points, but keep practicing and it'll get easier. Tip number 2. Don't hesitate to ask. If you miss something or don't understand, speak up. Ask your teacher to repeat or clarify. If you're shy about asking in class, catch your teacher after class or send them a message. Tip number 3. Add some color. Make your notes more engaging by using different colors. It's proven that color helps stimulate the brain and makes your notes easier to read and remember. Tip number 4. Use abbreviations. Speed up your note taking by using abbreviations and symbols. This saves time and helps you jot down important points quickly, especially when you need to repeat words often. Tip number 5. Recopy your notes. If your notes are messy, take the time to recopy them neatly at home. This not only makes them more readable but also reinforces what you've learned and aids long-term retention. So those are my top tips for effective note-taking. Try these out and you'll be on your way to mastering your subjects. And if you want to know how to study for longer periods, check out our next video for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy studying.